Learning Norwegian can be an exciting and rewarding experience. One of the easiest ways to start is by understanding how everyday words and simple sentences translate from English to Norwegian. Let's begin with some basic vocabulary and phrases to give you a solid foundation. To express the youth of a being, we can say a young cat, which translates to en ung katt in Norwegian. Similarly, describing something or someone as young can be translated as young to ungui. And this is a foundational way to describe age or youth in everyday conversations. When talking about common nouns like animals or specific objects, you can begin with the cat, which is katten in Norwegian. If you want to mention your dog, you would say the dog or hunden. These basics are crucial to make your first few sentences. Speaking about the qualities of a person or animal is also straightforward. For example, saying the girl is smart translates to jenta er smart, and my dog is nice translates to hunden min er snill. These specifics help describe characteristics and personality traits eloquently. Communication can also hinge on simple statements about possession and presence. For instance, you have bread translates into du har brød, and the cat is here translates to katten er her. You can see how understanding these basic sentences can help you articulate what you have and where things or people are located. Asking questions is essential in everyday conversations. For example, where is my dog translates to hvor er hunden min, which is a practical question you might need often. This makes it clear that even straightforward queries follow a logical structure similar to English. Using personal pronouns and simple connectors aids in building more complex sentences. It translates to det in Norwegian, keeping the language's structure easy to understand. For example, you can say it is here as det er her, where here translates to her. Talking about people and relationships is also an engaging way to practice. To say the woman has a brother, you would translate it as kvinnen har en bror a. And similarly, the woman is kvinnen, and the boy translates to gutten. Both these words are fundamental for discussing family and people in social contexts. Finally, injecting fun into language learning makes it enjoyable. For example, to say a funny dog, you would use en morsom hund. These little nuances and vocabulary expansions can make your learning process delightful. Starting with these translations and sentences can provide you with the confidence to delve deeper into the Norwegian language. As you practice, you'll find that these basics become second nature, paving the way for more complex language use.